Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar yen, I think, is very likely ending in ABC correction, and I think pretty much all week long we've been in a downtrend because of it. Now, even if it does start a move to the upside, which I don't know if it will now, but even if it does, I would be looking at that move up. It's likely just a pullback within a downtrend, because when you have the end of an ABC pullback, it will normally go down and take out the previous lows and likely go much, much lower than that. So definitely recommending shorts in a downtrend, especially on shorter time frames. If you take it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it's just been making lower lows, lower highs. Every single one of these swing highs right here is a lower high. If it does go up and give you a break of structure, I would just throw my Fibonacci retracement on there, and I would still be looking for shorts. I would just be looking for a little bit of a bigger pullback, and I would definitely be looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see, because if this really is the end of an ABC correction, then this will go down and take out the lows on the 4 hour time frame. I have no idea whether it's going to make a pullback right now. I mean, it could potentially just go down, make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.